Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to install the Google Docs app on a laptop or PC. So you want to navigate to the Google Chrome browser, and then you're going to click on the dots in the top right hand corner, which is Google Apps. You're going to click on there. You're going to scroll down to Google Docs. Click on there. When that page opens, we're going to go to the very top right where the three dots are. You're going to click on there. Then you're going to scroll down to where it says cast, save, and share. On the left-hand side, it says install Pages app. So I'm going to click on there. I'm going to say install, and a new page will open up, and that will be installed on my desktop. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.